morning to you. Happy new morning. So the one with Vlogmas is here, and I just woke up. I want to carry you guys along with me today to start my morning with me, guys. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy this vlog. So let's vibe together. I did some laundry yesterday, so I want to hang the clothes this morning. In fact, I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. I need to go to the market. I need to go to the shop. I need to go to church because we have the program in church. And guys, watch out! I am mashing. I just hope I clip all the part because I don't even have anybody that will say, okay, come and video me today. So I just hope I clip all the parts. And I hope you enjoy this vlog because I don't even know if I'm ending this vlog today. So look at you want to for yourself. I don't know if I will end this vlog today. And I don't want this vlog to be very long. I don't want this vlog to be very long at all. Let's hang the clothes together, guys. I love you. Ching, 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 ching.
Hey, car, cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for, yeah.
Where can you
Here's a story, every moment feels nice. Gather round the table, everybody's home. In this kitchen family, you'll never be alone. Come and join the fun, come and taste the cheer. Cooking joy.
One on a mosquito, one on a snake, one on a rat. You know they waste time for him. This medicine are very
Do you have toothbrush for kids and for adults?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
I know.
So I came here to get some things, but the people here, they were just nonchalant. Their customer service here is 0/10. Do you know I stood here for over 30 minutes? They were just so slow. I saw this ice cream scoop, what do they call it? And I actually wanted to get one. That was how I stood there asking them price. They kept on saying they are coming. I just left there. Now I came to another shop. The thing is, what I even came to buy, I didn't get it. I just had to buy 2 things and I left. For customer service, these guys I'm giving them like 95/100. So I left here, and in fact this day was just somehow, because what I really wanted to get was at the first shop. I was just angry though, but what could I do? I decided to buy from the home shop. This shop is close to my house. Just got some other few things and I left.
They try.
My daughter saw ice cream and she gave me her sweets. So after everything, after the whole stress, I just thought of taking ice cream now. What should I do? So madam said I shouldn't touch her. I had to hold her hand, but she blatantly refused. Like I'm a stranger. Thank God, Shao. Look at the way my hair is scattered. Guys, finally we are going home. See, I've had a long day today, like a long day. Let me see. Okay, can see my picture. So this is 8:28 p.m. and to God be the glory, we are going home.
Hey, car, cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah.
Wondering what's happening here. This is actually my business. This is what I do. This is what I sell. So I came to supply some persons here. I'm done taking some orders. Okay. I'm looking so rough. To look for money is not easy. Serious. Looking so rough. Done taking orders from this side. So I am done from one side. I'm moving straight to another side. I took some orders the previous day. And here we're just going to make the delivery. So guys, this is what I do. Patronize me. You stay within, patronize me. You stay outside my environment, you can still patronize me. We will build bulk orders. We do. So you can still patronize me. Not for business and I'll deliver.
Okay, do every friend as a marketing.